Hello everybody. We're doing another video. We got a shop vac for a home renovation project that we're doing. We're renovating our sunroom, or really mostly my husband's renovating it. But we got a shop vac and we were just going to show how everything went together. It comes with a little manual, but it doesn't have step-by-step instructions. It's just pretty well common sense on how to put everything together. I already put this together just because it's a little bit of a hassle, but it comes with these little clips in this bag, and this bar is separate. You just put the bar here, this metal bar, through the black thing, and then you put on the wheels, and then you put on the washers, and then just put these little clips on like you would do a trailer hitch or something like that. And then you have these, which come attached, but I already detached them. And these little wheels, which go into this hole. They don't fit in there, so it only goes into one hole. And you just attach those. And this is your little vac. It's just empty. So you take your little vacuum and you attach your little wheels. And then this goes on here somehow. Oh, on the back of it, there's these little things. And there's some right there. So you just hook it up to that. And there's your little rolly thing. Let's see. Okay, so we have that together. We're going to put the little handle on it. There's 4 holes here, or sorry, 2 on each side, and then 2 on this. So we're just going to kind of pop this on there. It just pops on like that. And then, sorry, I can't see very well. And then it comes with a package of screws and nuts and washers. So you just take your screw and put it there. Put this in the appropriate hole. And then on the other side, you take your washer and then your nut and put it on there. And then you just repeat this for all 4 of them.